Hiya, hiya, hiya. How you doing? Welcome back. Come on in and sit on down. It's time for another video, and today we're not playing a game. Well, kind of. We're playing a different kind of game. We're gonna make some realistic memes using Photoshop Beta's new AI generator. So, let's just get in there. Let's make some art. Alright, so I've got some ideas for some memes. Something we need to create. The internet, we need to update some memes, so we're gonna see how close we can get. Let's see here. So first, the idea we're gonna go, and I'm gonna keep it kind of secret, just see how long it takes you to guess. Throw down in the comment how quickly you guessed, if that's something you want to do. Make it a little game. Let's see here. We're gonna go with city street, and then presto fucking changeo, Photoshop just create something for you. Is art real anymore? Look at that. I mean, this is just unreal how realistic some of this looks. I don't know if that's really a person or something, and we have a couple different options. I think we have this one, which looks cool as well, but for our meme, I think this one's gonna be really where we need it. So let's see here. Right here, thinking about, we'll put, I think, a woman looking disgusted, and that should give away exactly what we're doing here. There should be no secrets among friends anymore. Let's take a look and see how well it does. Okay, that's horrifying. She does look disgusted. I will give her that. The other option is that. Oh, you know what? She does look okay. I kind of like that better. And then let's see here. We'll put man looking interested. See what it brings up for us. Now, it doesn't do hands or faces well because it's AI, but you know what? Who cares? The more cursed, I think, the better. Okay, he is behind her. I want him sort of in front of her. Man, let's see if we can redo it. Man in foreground. Cannot spell foreground. There we go. I mean, that's fine. It'll do for our purposes, but like, it's not accurate, you know? Okay, he's less in the foreground now. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to regenerate him. This poor bastard needs to be in front of this lady for the meme to work. Oh, perfect. We're just not gonna do anything good. Okay. Well, then we're just gonna delete you. We're gonna delete the layers. We're gonna have... and try again. Man looking interested. See, maybe it's not gonna take so many graphic artist job. AI. It can't even put a man in the foreground if you want him in the foreground. And I want him in the foreground, so I want him in the foreground. There we go. Man looking interested. Oh no, you're facing the wrong way. Let's see here. We'll do a new one. We'll do a woman looking angry. See what we can do about that. Come on, put her in the background just like you did that guy. Please. I want to make memes. Oh. Here we go. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. I love what I'm doing. Are you smelling what I'm selling? The attractive woman. Come on now, Photoshop. Give me your best pretty lady. Okay. I thought she was wielding Thor's hammer at first, but I think that's just supposed to be in the background. But her arm is phasing through it, and it's turned the background all wonky. Okay, that's a lot to take in. Oh, but this one I think is the winner. Okay. Okay, yes, I love everything about this. So what do you guys think? What meme is this? Let's go ahead and roll tape.
Who's that Pokemon?
Okay, that one was pretty easy to guess, I suppose. So we'll just try something just a little harder. We'll see what we can do. See how easy it is to guess. All right, let's get into it. So I think for this one, I definitely think we need like a snowy background. And I cannot type for anything. Snowy background. There it is. So what do you guys think? Is AI going to take every digital creator's job here? Snowy background. That is just snow. Okay, I don't like that. That is what I told it, though. Snowy forest. Oh, my lord. Well, trees. Snowy trees. Okay, you know what? This is okay. The sky is very saturated in blue. I think this is more what I want to see. It's in the realm of possibilities. So, let's see. We'll just add to it. I think we need an old man in a coat. Ah, fuck, I cannot type. Old man in a coat with mittens. Oh, that's almost perfect. Yeah, I think the first version is perfect. I like this a whole lot. Let's see. Actually, I think that's it for the memes. So, what is it?
Who's that Pokemon?
Okay. The Bernie Sanders meme and the couple meme. Those are pretty easy. Let's go, I think let's go hard mode on this one, okay? So I think, let's see here. We're just going to build it from the ground up. There are definitely things I think that will give the memes away. But we'll see. Actually, I think this one's going to be very easy. Ooh, I love the interior. Ooh, this is modern too. I like the slatted ceiling. That's cool. I think both these rooms are good. Alright. So I think here, I'm not even going to show you what I'm going to put. Because I don't want to give it away so easily. We'll just see, we'll generate it, see if we can get anything. Okay, there's that. Ooh, or that. Let's see, we have some more variations. I think this one's definitely the winner. And I would be surprised if you don't know what meme we're making, but this one's really gonna give it away, I think. White couch. That's right. We're making the Piper Perry meme. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, but that's even... Okay, that's better. That's better for sure. Okay. Now, let's see. Small woman sitting. Small woman. Oh my god, spacebar. Woman sitting. Here we go. Let's see what it gives us. I don't really like that the couch is pushed so far up against the wall, but I guess that's just my fault for putting it there. Ooh. I don't know about this. No, let's see here. I hope so. I love that it's just doing no faces. And like this looks like... Oh. That's weird. Oh, why is that all red? Huh. I don't know why that's all red. Okay. Oh, you know what? That's pretty good. Honestly, I think that's as close as we were gonna get. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So, what meme do you think it is?
Who's that Pokemon?
Okay, so I think that there probably aren't any hard memes to guess. I would say that there's just defining characteristics for all of them. But we're going to try one more. I think I might have one that could stump you. So, we'll try it out. See how long it takes you. I think we're going to start with a blue room on this one. I think a nice blue room. That's... Actually, that works pretty well for our purposes. Let's see here. We're going to go ahead and throw some... We're going to throw some, maybe some nautical themed decoration on it, do you think? I think that could be interesting. That's perfect. That's really good. Okay, I love everything that I'm seeing. I think we'll fill the space out. You know, I want this to be lived in. See my Pity Lily. Oh, okay. These aren't really the anchors that I'm loving, but all right, that's fine. That's fine. And I think we're gonna try to make this like a. I just want to remove this. I think I don't like the blue couch. The blue couch isn't giving me. It's not sparking any joy. Let's see how interesting a prompt we can give it. We can tell it to remove the couch. Damn, it actually did it. Okay, okay. And then put a red recliner there. What do you think? I don't know. That's not exactly what I had in mind. This is pretty close. I like this. I like this a lot. And let's see here. We're just going to put, I bet you guys know what it is. We're going to put a sponge. Oh, I should have specified yellow sponge. Let's see what it gives us. Actually, not bad options. Not yellow, except for this. But I don't like this circle. We'll just give it yellow sponge and see what we do. Although I really like this just abstract sort of minimalism look. Like, it's just for niche people. Dang, why is it only giving me round boys? Okay, I actually really like this one. I like this a lot. And you know what? I'm just going to throw, because I can, I want to throw a snail in there. Give it a little Gary love. Ah, perfect. A realistic, that's what we need. Just a big, I love it. There's nothing that I love more than this. This is the pinnacle of creation for my art. When I'm dead and gone, I want people to remember that I made this. Even though I didn't make it, AI made it. Or did I make it? That's the argument that's on the internet. You form your own opinions, and we'll see what this meme really is.
Who's that Pokemon?
All right. Well, I guess that's it for humanity. The robots eventually are going to take over, and I guess they're going to be good at making memes. So good for them. They'll carry on the tradition, the long time honored human tradition of making memes, and hopefully they'll get them. So, if you enjoyed this look into the future, this glimpse into the crystal ball, if you will, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All the things that get the video seen in the algorithm. The AI is going to tell you what to fucking watch? Absolutely not. Like, comment, and subscribe just for that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, fuckers.